Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is affirmation, confirmation. You qualify. Lord, God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ. They're saying, what do you want? Because I'm ready to bless you tenfold, 100-fold, 1,000-fold, 1,000,000-fold. Whatever you want, I'm going to give to you. So write it down. Make it plain on your manifestation sheet. Make sure that you're not skipping any lines. Leave no openings. The universe, they have a great sense of humor where if you leave blanks, they have to fill it in. So you may get something that you didn't really actually ask for. Not saying it's going to be negative, but it may not be exactly what you asked for. Make sure that you cross every T, dot every I, down to the punctuation. You are specific on your needs and then also your wants. Therefore, when you get your blessings, you get everything that you want. And no matter this next level that you're heading towards, where it's going to be a new experience, you have all the things that make your heart sing. I listen to myself and acknowledge my needs. Understand your needs. Listen to yourself. Don't worry about what the world, what the earth is saying that is profitable, what you need. No, you're original. You came in this world by yourself. You shall leave by yourself. Therefore, you're unique. You have original needs that make you happy. It could be reading. It could be writing. It can be having your own place to meditate, to jog. Whatever your blessing is, make sure that you write your intimate needs in there. I assert myself and I retain my power because you're so powerful. Assert yourself. Be bold in asking for what you want. Write down the things that you want. Therefore, because you're going to get it. I'm brave. I'm gentle. That's why you're able to get to this point. You have the right things, and we know that you're going to ask for the right things and not something that's going to be so selfish and not going to just benefit you. But one thing, if you're happy, you benefit the rest of the world. And you being happy is going to make the rest of the world happy. So however you tapped into your energy right now is blessed. I don't have to be afraid of others because I respect myself and I'm respected by others. If you respect yourself, you show other people how to treat you. Treat yourself well and watch how the world treats you even better. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. I love you.